Gravel roads in open skies, dusty boots and fireflies. Barn dance nights neath a pale moon's glow. Nothing like a life we know. Fishing poles in worn out jeans, talking dreams by clear blue streams. Sweet tea sips on a front porch swing. Country life means everything. Oh, those country adventures, where the heart and soul find their treasure. With every mile of winding road, love and life down home unfold. Old guitars and whistling winds, lazy days with lifelong friends. Picnic spots under ancient trees, simple moments put us at ease. He rides through the autumn bright, stargazing on a summer night. Fields of gold in the evening light paint our days with pure delight. All those country adventures, where the heart and soul find their treasure. With every mile of winding road, love and life down home unfold. All those country adventures, where the heart and soul find their treasure. With every mile